Hey, biology fan. Think you are a pro at identifying unicellular organisms? Let's put your skill to the test with 10 tricky questions on identifying unicellular organisms. Welcome to Science Teacher channel. We are going to test your skills now to see how good you are at identifying unicellular organisms with 10 tricky questions. Now, immediately after showing the question, the options, and the image that will help you identify the microorganism or the unicellular organism, after 20 seconds, the correct answer will show. Grab your book and keep it close to you to record the ones you will get correct. And at the end, you would tell us what your score is. Okay, before we go right into it, this is a bonus question. All right, this will not be part of your recording before we get into the first question. So, what we have here says, what is this? A. Volvox, B. Amoeba, C. Worm. What's your option? Yes, that's a good start. The correct answer is Volvox. Volvox have two flagella and it forms colony. Thank you very much. Let's now go right into your questions. I hope your book is with you, your pen is with you to record the marks you are going to get. So let's go right into our first question. Ready? Let's go. Oh, question 1 says, this unicellular organism moves by extending its pseudopodia and engulf food like a tiny predator. What is it? Okay, let's see the picture now. Yeah, your time has started now. Your time has started. Look at the picture, look at the image clearly, identify the organism, and select your correct answer. This unicellular organism, it moves by extending its pseudopodia. Yeah, the answer is Amoeba. Do you get this? Oh, that's a good start. If you got it, let's go to question 2 now. Yeah, question 2 says, this organism swims using hair-like cilia, covering its body, and feeds by sweeping food into a groove. It is Amoeba, bacteria, Paramecium, Chlamydomonas. Okay, let's see the picture. Yeah, your time starts now. Pick your correct answer. The clock is ticking. Let's see if you get this too. Let's see if you get this. Yeah, did you pick your answer? The correct answer will it has appeared. The correct answer is Paramecium. Did you get this too? Wow. If you get 8 and above, 7 and above, okay, you are a pro. Let's go to question 3. Good. Question 3 says, this unicellular organism has a flagellum for swimming and can photosynthesize. It means it has chlorophyll, it can photosynthesize. What is it? Trypanosoma, Euglena, Amoeba, Plasmodium. Which is your pick? Okay, let's see the image. Yep, this is the image. So what organism is this that has a flagellum for swimming and can photosynthesize? Pick your answer, for time is going. Yes, this is our question 3. This is our question 3. The answer is Euglena. Correct. If you get that, that shows you are smart. So let's go to question 4 right away. Yeah, question 4 says, this organism causes sleeping sickness and moves with a single flagellum, giving it a worm-like wiggle. It is A. trypanosoma, B. Paramecium, C. Chlamydomonas, D. Parasites. Look at the question again carefully. The organism causes sleeping sickness and moves with a single flagellum. It has a worm-like wiggle. What is it? Let's see the image. Yeah, here is the image. Does it look like green snake? What's your pick? What's your answer? Choose your answer. Time is going, time is going, time is going, time is going. Okay, time is going, time is going, time is going, time is going. Okay, so I hope you have picked your answer. The correct answer is trypanosoma. Good, let's go to the next question. Yeah, the next question says, this unicellular organism has two flagella and forms colony that looks like green spheres under a microscope. The unicellular organism has two flagella and forms colony that looks like green spheres under microscope. What is it? A. Euglena, B. Volvox, C. Paramecium, D. Amoeba. Let's see the image. Yeah, this is the image. Choose your answer. For time is going. Time is going. The description of the organism has been given. It has two flagella, as you can see there. It forms colony that looks like green spheres under a microscope. Is it Euglena, or Volvox, or Paramecium, or Amoeba? What's your pick? Yes, your time is going, 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 going. Yes, the correct answer is Volvox. Do you get that? Good. So let's go to question 6. Question 6 says, this organism lacks a rigid cell wall, allowing it to change shape constantly as it moves. The organism does not have a rigid cell wall, therefore, it changes shape constantly as it moves. What is this organism? A. Paramecium, B. Chlamydomonas, C. Amoeba, D. Euglena. Let's see the image. Yes, here is the image. You can see. From 1 to 5 shows how the organism moves by changing shape as it moves. Pick your answer, for time is going. The organism is able to change its shape constantly as it moves. Amoeba. Hey, I hope you got this. Alright, let's move to the next question. Question 7. Remember, you have 10 questions, and if you get 7 out of 10, you are going to comment pro. And if you struggle, you are going to comment help. So I'm going to see what your comment will be. Alright. Question 7 says, this unicellular organism has a rigid pellicle that keeps its shape and moves with a single flagellum. The unicellular organism has a rigid pellicle that keeps its shape and moves with a single flagellum. What is your answer? A. Trypanosoma, B. Paramecium, C. Volvox, D. Euglena. Okay, let's see the image. This is the image showing how the organism moves with a single flagella. It uses its only flagellum to move, and it has a rigid pellicle that keeps its shape. Okay, so observe the image carefully and select your answer, Euglena. Oh my God, I hope you got this too. Alright, If you did not follow or like, if you love this quiz, please follow, like, and share with others. Let them also test their knowledge of unicellular organisms based on description. Don't forget, Science Teacher is a channel that gives you quizzes on different areas of sciences to refresh your memory and teach you more. Like, follow, and subscribe now before we go to question 8, 9, and 10. We are getting closer to the end. All right, let's go to question 8 now. This organism uses two flagella. Oh my god, two this time around to swim, and has a chloroplast, making it a tiny green swimmer. It has two flagella, it has chloroplast, and it is tiny. What's your pick? Okay, let's check the image. That's the organism. That's the unicellular organism. So what's your pick? Is it a chlamydomonas? Is it an amoeba? Is it a paramecium? Is it trypanosoma? Yes, time is going. Pick your answer now. We have 2 more questions left for you in this quiz. Chlamydomonas. That's the correct answer. So let's go to question 9. Yeah, question 9 says this organism feeds by sweeping food particles into its oral groove using cilia. It eats or feeds by sweeping food particles into its oral groove, using cilia. What is it? Euglena, Paramecium, Amoeba, or Volvox? Let's look at the image to help us answer it. Wow, I can see the oral groove there where it takes food, labeled 1. That's 1, food intake. What's your pick? Time is going. Time is going before my answer appears. What's your answer? Choose your pick. Time is going. Paramecium. Well done. That's a good one. So we go to the last question. Question 10. Yeah, question 10 says this organism is parasitic. It lives in blood and moves with an undulating membrane and flagellum. The organism is a parasite. It lives in blood and moves with an undulating membrane and flagellum. What is it? Amoeba, trypanosoma, chlamydomonas, paramecium. Let's look at the image. Oh my god, that is it in the blood. I can see blood vessels, blood cells, red blood cells. Can see the organism there. Yes. What is your pick? Time is going. Time is going. This is the last question for you in this quiz. Yes. Was the organism trypanosoma? Correct. Wow. If you score 7 or above, comment pro. If you get below 7, comment help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, hit the notification button so that anytime we posted a new quiz, you will be the first to answer. All right, share your score with us and let's see whether you are a pro or you are seeking for help. Thank you. See you in the next quiz.